Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to test Sump Pump. Before we test Sump Pump, I will explain how Sump Pump system works. All the modern homes have foundation drainage system called whipping tile. It is situated around the bottom of foundation by basement space. So whipping tile is a porous pipe covered with gravel to percolate the water that is going into the ground. So this system brings water around the foundation and from window well that goes into the ground into the sump pump pit. And then sump pump pit accumulates water of about 40 to 50 gallons depending on the square feet of the house. This pit can be bigger. And usually the sump pump pit is placed at the lowest level in the basement. Once water level in sump pump pit rises to a certain level, sump pump automatically starts to pump out the water to the outside main municipality sewer system with the connected drainage line. Usually sump pump starts as soon as float rises to certain set level when water fills in the pit. So now we know how sump pump system works. So where is sump pump located? It's usually located in mechanical room or under the stairs, but for the walkout house, it's located at the back of the basement. Now there are two main types of sump pumps. One is with one code plugged into the plug-in, and the other one is with two codes. So I will explain both these systems and how to test them. In this sump pump, there is only one plugged in code. Auto cut switch is with the float switch inside the sump pit, which automatically turns on the sump pump on when water level rises and shut it off when water is drained. So now I will open the cover up to test the sump pump. First all, remove the screws. There might be 4 screws or 12 screws. It depends on the type of the covers your contractor used. So just simply remove the cover, and then inside you can see a sump pump. So this whole unit is a pump and that unit is a float. So that means when level of water rises, it will automatically turn on the sump pump. So I will show you. So if you see, now it turns on, and when you leave it or when level of water goes down, it turns it off. So this is a way to test your sump pump. Now this is the another type of sump pump in which you can see there are 2 wires coming out of the sump pump motor. In this one, this wire is for your sump pump motor, and the middle connector is for your float sensor, that when your sump pump tank fills up with the water like 60-70%, it automatically supplies power to the sump pump for it to start and drain out the water. So to test this sump pump, you need to directly plug in sump pump wire into the outlet, and you can hear the sound of the sump pump running. That means it's working fine, and now you can reconnect this and plug it into your outlet. So now question comes is how often to test sump pump. So recommendation is 3 times a year. So first is spring when all the snow and ice is melting, and then in summer because of the rain, and then fall to make sure that all the water in sump pit is drained out. In winter, you don't have to worry about it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I post video every week related to house maintenance and common house issues. Thank you.